Well, good morning to you too, Mr. Red-winged Blackbird. Winter is fading away, spring is in the air, and Ohio's migratory birds are on the move. Male red-winged blackbirds are one of the first spring arrivals in Ohio, and their territorial vocalizations signal the changing of the seasons. As their name implies, the males have pauldrons of red on their wings. They also have the ability to fluff up or hide their color, depending on their confidence levels. The larger the color patches, the more likely the males are to find a mate and defend their nest. During spring and summer, these birds are mainly found in marshes and fields around the state, amongst tall grasses, reeds, and cattails. In the warmer months, their diet consists of insects, and in the cooler months, when they band together with other blackbird species, such as brown-headed cowbirds, starlings, and grackles, they mostly eat seeds. While nesting, both the brightly marked males and the brown-striped females are known to fiercely defend their territory, going so far as to ambush wild animals, pets, and even people. Their distinctive call may be the last warning before they're swooping at your head. So keep your distance, wear a hat, and enjoy this season with the red-winged blackbird.